Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Jasmine.
And we're Monster Banks Fishing. I don't know, it kind of feels like a car.
Oh.
It's a whale.
Oh, nice one.
No, don't come on. Oh, this is so good. Oh, he's mad.
That's a mad cat.
He's angry. Look at that, dude. Woohoo! Look at that. Monster Banks Fishing. We got slime. 26 pounds. 26. Guys, just caught this muddy one on a cut gizzard shad. About 26 pounds. First one of the season. So let's get him back in. He's mean as hell. That's why it's so muddy. But I'm glad to have him though. All right. So this is day 2. Yesterday we spent a couple hours. We went down to Smithfield, down in that area for the Neuse River, and that's a beautiful area over there. The current was ripping pretty fast. The water level was kind of high, but with just all the debris and stuff in there, it was hard to hold bottom. We were using like over 12 ounces of weight and still not holding bottom. So we spent a few hours there, didn't catch anything. So we decided to head upriver and try another spot in Raleigh. Ended up with a nice fish there within an hour. Then we kind of called it the night since it was getting cold and we'd already caught a fish. And so today we're downriver, really far downriver, and trying a few spots. So we'll let you know how we did, and appreciate you watching. And it's been a while since we've been on, but hopefully we'll start putting out some more videos. So got anything to say?
It's really bright right now.
Yeah, the sun's in our eyes and you hear the traffic and stuff, but hopefully we get a big one. Go get slime. All right, so tell us what you got going on here. What kind of rig do you have set up?
Carolina rig.
Carolina rig, okay, so tell me what you got.
On here, I got 9 ounces of weight on there with the no rolls. I accidentally did it all funky. I didn't mean to do it that way. And then I got a bead. I have a 3-way swivel. I meant to put a 2-way. I have a leader on there. I have some rattles, a bobber, and then an 8/0 hook with some gizzard shad on it.
Cool. How long's your leader?
Long. I don't know.
About 3 feet?
Yeah.
Maybe about 3 feet. And what pound test is that leader?
It's 80.
80. And what pound test do you use on your regular line?
40.
40 mono?
Yes.
Nice. Nice mud cat you got there. Yeah,
know.
That's nice.
It's a birthday gift.
Yeah. All right, well, let's see how you can do, huh?
Yeah, let's see.
What's going on over there? It's coming towards you. Coming. Reel. All right, it's a bowfin. Fight. Oh yeah, nice bowfin.
Oh, I'm missing an eyeball.
Wow, look at that. Mr. Bowfin. Ooh, he's missing an eye. Look at that. Cool. There we go.
Need the pliers?
No, I think I got it.
Ready? You got a bowfin? So.
First fish over here, he's pretty big.
Yeah.
Ooh. This fish is kind of interesting. It's got a really deep eye socket there. He's got an eye missing. Looks like he's been hooked before. He's got a huge rip right there. This guy's had a pretty hard life, but all right, well, we're gonna go ahead and let him go.